We guide you through how to create multiple Gmail accounts easily without confusion. First thing you need to do is open your web browser in incognito or private mode. Then go to Gmail's sign up page and click create account. Choose for myself or for work, then fill in your name, desired email address, and password. After completing the sign up steps, sign out and repeat the process to create another account. You can also create multiple Gmail accounts by staying logged in and clicking your profile picture, then selecting add another account to switch between them easily. Google may ask for a phone number for verification, but one number can usually be used for more than one account. Once created, you can manage and switch between all your Gmail accounts without logging out, making it simple, handle personal, work, or backup emails.